Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today's video we are going to be unboxing this big Boxyluxe box for the month of December. So this box is a quarterly month box, so you'll receive this box every 3 months if you upgrade with BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is usually like $21 a month, but if you do upgrade you will end up paying like $50 or so, and the value I believe is worth $300 or more. I believe it's up there in the 300s. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started because I'm so excited to get into this big, chunky, luscious box. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you are a regular to my channel, I don't like to cheat on my boxes, so these still do have the seal on it, if you guys could see it, and the address. Okay, all right, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. I kind of have an idea of what I'm getting because they did give us that option of choosing one of the items, and I believe it was like a little baby flat iron, and then I also think it was a palette. I chose the palette because I'm a makeup junkie and I would get more use out of the palette than the straightener. So this is what the box looks like. Hello gorgeous, or hello charmer. Okay, so this is the card. Oh my god, it's big. It's so big. It's the size of the box. It's packaged very nicely. Oh, okay, mine does not trifold. It's just a big card. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side. This is the presentation of the box. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just go ahead and start pulling. So this is the first item in the bag that I see. I'm gonna set this box aside because it is kind of heavy, let me tell you. Oh, and before I get started, let me say that I got variation number 1. So yeah, because it does have different variations. It's blinding, you guys can't see it, but it does have a little one right here at the end. Oh, here we go, you guys could see it. So it's a little one with a little heart. Okay, so we got this item right here, and this is the Glam as Fuck makeup bag. Oh my god, I like it already. It's so cute. And it's like a little wristlet, and the bag is pretty big itself. I am digging it. And it has a little something in here with a bubble wrap. I feel like it's Christmas, like an early Christmas. Okay, and we have this right here, and it looks like it's a Crimes of Beauty. Okay, so it's a dual charger device, digital device. Okay, I could always use that because I'm always low on battery on my cell phone, and it does have the little USB cord that you could connect it to. So let's see here. Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger. This item retails for $22. So I would say this is like I would say this is 2 items in one for $22. I think that's really worth it because little portable chargers are kind of pricey. And this one's really cute. So I am totally digging this item. This was the first item that we got in our box. Oh my freaking gosh! I was freaking hoping to get a setting powder, and I did. Dude, I am already loving this box. I'm already loving it. Oh my god. Okay, so the next thing that we got, because I did see this as a spoiler. Let me know if you guys got this powder. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so this next one is, I'm trying to like look for it. So this next one is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. It's matte all about it. Oh my god, this is cute. The packaging is so cute too. Like, man, I wish you guys could see it because it is kind of blinding. So it looks like that. I'm always looking for a new setting powder. Oh my god, it has a little puffer. I'm so excited. Okay, yep, and I like the color. Really nice. Okay, so this Pretty Vulgar setting powder, it does retail for $32. And there's a smell. I'm getting a smell. Something smells good. I thought it was this, but I guess it's not. Okay, we're moving along to the next item. And the next item, oh my god, this smells a bomb. Delicious. Okay, the next item is Spongel? I don't know how you say the name of this, but this is a body wash infused buffer. Oh, we've had buffers before in the past, but let me tell you, oh, it's a superstar. That is so cute. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I could sniff this all day if I wanted to. It smells so good. So this is a body wash infused buffer, and this retails for $20, you guys. Oh my god. That smells bomb. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. All right, next item is this right here, and this is the Luxie Complete Face set, and we always get Luxie brushes from BoxyCharm. So this one is the full set, and it does have several brushes. Let me get that little packaging out. This is what it looks like. Oh my God, I love Luxie. Oh, and you could slip the sleeve out and then put it together. Oh my God, that is so cute, like for a present. But I'm not gonna give it away. I'm gonna give it away to myself. I totally love. Okay, so this is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and this retails for what? $65? God damn, it is fancy, but I am totally loving it. Luxie never fails, and their brushes are really good quality. I totally love them. And it looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. 8 brushes for $65? Dang, like the value of this box is no joke. No joke at all. Okay, so I got everything that was on top that I was able to kind of see. I'm gonna move this foam, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next item. I think this one was a palette that I had chose over the little flat iron. So this one is the Suva, but I forgot what it looked like. So it's been so long. Okay, so this one is the Suva Beauty palette. Oh yes, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Okay, so it does have the full size little mirror. I love that you can fold it in the back, and this is what it looks like. These are really, really nice. Oh my God, this Era highlighting shade is so gorgeous. It's like a gold, and then the other one, it's like a pink pearly iridescent. I don't know if you guys could see it. You guys see that? Oh my God, it's really cute. So you could use that as a highlighter, like these two shades you can use as a highlighter or like a lid color. Oh my God, this is really nice. I was like thinking I was gonna give this away, but I'm not gonna give this away. I'm keeping all of it. Oh my God, is that selfish? I hope not, but I'm really loving this. So this was the next item. Let me see. The Suva Beauty palette retails for $34, you guys. I am loving this. I know I'm annoying with that word, but that's how I feel. I have to express the way I feel. All right, the next item that we got is this awesome bullet, this gold bullet. It's a Grande mascara lash boosting formula. Dang, how did they know I needed mascara? I was running low on my mascara that they had sent out last time from It Cosmetics that I love. It's like running out because I use it every single day. And they freaking, dude, they never fail. Like, they just know, like, I needed a mascara. And there we go. We got a replacement. This packaging is really nice. I'm feeling it. This is what the little one looks like. It looks like a smaller wand is not as fluffy, but I do like the little ones because I could really get in there with the lower eyelash lines. And this is really nice. I am totally loving this. Okay, so the Grande Cosmetics mascara retails for $25. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next item that we got is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. Okay, the packaging is really cute, gold. Let's see, where is it on this? Okay, so the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. Oh my God, I don't do lip gloss, but this is a really nice shimmery lip gloss. I would use it as a topper because they get sticky, so I really don't do that, but I will definitely do this one. It's really nice. You guys won't be able to see it. So my swatches suck anyway, but this is the color and it's really nice. I'm totally loving this. Okay, so this retails for $20. It's a keeper. Okay, the next item that we got is this right here, and this is by the brand Elemis. It's an anti-aging pearl collagen marine cream. Okay. And I've tried Elemis before. Influencer had sent me a box, and that's when I had first heard about it and first tried it, and I really liked it. So this is cool because I'm starting to age now. I'm getting old and wrinkly. Okay, so this one retails for $89. Oh my God, that's fancy. That's expensive. I would not pay that much for skincare. Okay, should I open it? Skincare is just not my thing. It really isn't. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is, oh, I actually like this. This little packaging looks very fancy and luxurious. I would have thought that this is a glass container, but it's not, and that's good. Well, for my end, I think it's really good because I'm clumsy as fuck. And I've dropped several of my foundations and they shattered and they cracked and they've broken and they're like no good. So this is good. So if it does fall or anything, it'll survive because it's like a hard plastic and it looks like if it was glass. So I'm really liking this. Packaging is really nice, and then it has a little lid. Let's see, does it smell like anything? Ooh, the cream is really nice. I can't really smell anything. I'm a little boogery at the time right now, at the moment. And yeah, I'm digging this. I will definitely use this. I am loving these boxes. This box is so good. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Okay, the last item was this right here, and this is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow. And it says, hashtag my holy grail. I was gonna say Holly Grail. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. Okay, so this one does have a little sticker on there. Where's my blade? Let's see. Let's whip out this blade. I gotta be careful with it because that thing is scary. Okay. Okay, come on thing, work with me. Work with me here. Let's see what this palette is all about. Come on. Violet Voss Pro. Oh my God, it's like super secure. Oh, I like this, that it has it. But sometimes I place my eyeshadows palettes like standing up. So, oh, I like a little book. You guys get me? Okay, good. All right, so the next item is this right here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my God, it is freaking gorgeous. Man, it's nice. Okay, so it does have the mirror on top. I'll take that little sheet out. Man, this is pretty. Oh my God, I am obsessed. So it looks like it has like the mattes, the shimmers, the satins, the neutral colors, the berry colors. Man, I am obsessed. Oh, I have so much freaking love for this. I love everything so much. I know, but I really do like. Man, okay, let me add this up because I'm so super excited about this box. You guys don't understand how excited I am. Oh, let me tell you how much this retails for. So this Violet Voss palette retails for $45. Oh my God, these shades are nice. I am not giving any of this away. I'm gonna keep it all for myself. Okay, let me put it on a quick pause. Let me add up this whole value to see if it was worth it. Obviously it is, like you're getting your money's worth, but let me see what the retail value of this whole box is, and I'll be back. And I am back. So the retail value for this box was $352. I got variation number 1, and I also want to give a quick little shout out to whoever used my referral link. Thank you to whoever you were. I got some extra items as well as you, I believe. So yes, I will leave my referral link down below if you guys want to use it. Obviously, I don't get paid, but we do get free items for using that little referral link. Anyhow, so I think this is it today, you guys. I hope that you guys liked my video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Show me some love and support. If you have a YouTube channel, I will do the same for you as well. All right, guys, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought about your box. If you guys got the same variation boxes I did. We're little twinsies. Okay, anyhow. I'm too hyper. I just cannot with myself. Se me hace que se me subió el café. Se me hace que sí. I'm like, the caffeine is just taking over. Anyhow, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful day. Adios.